everyone, it's Veronica, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use the Cyber Monday sales pack to enhance your videos just like this one. So here we are in the Wondershare Filmora video editor, and as you can see I have my project fully put together here on the timeline. So in this video I'll be telling you how you can add the titles and elements from the Cyber Monday sales pack into your videos. The Cyber Monday sales pack comes with 32 different elements. There's a variety of elements that overlay your video as well as some that take up the whole frame. If you wish to preview any of the elements, you have to simply click on them and you can see a preview here on the right of the animation. And once you're ready to go back to your project, all you have to do is simply click on your timeline. The pack also comes with 22 different titles. We have a variety of titles, which includes intro type titles that take up the whole frame, as well as some titles that have frames for your video to play through, and titles that go on top of your video. So let's start with the titles. We'll be using this section right here as an example. So I'm going to put my video here next to the project just so we can work on it as an example. Adding the titles is very simple. All you have to do is click and drag the title onto your timeline. And you can adjust the length of the title by dragging the sides in or out. To adjust the position of the title, you have to double click on the title in the timeline and you'll get this title group controller right here, which you can use to move all the elements of the title around the preview. Each piece of text is editable separately, and in order to do that, you simply have to click on them and you should be able to change it right here in this window on the left. You can also adjust the position of the text by clicking on it and dragging it in the preview. This way you can control individual pieces of the title. And if there are too many text boxes for you, all you have to do is click on them and delete the text from the left window. You're also free to change the font style and size right here, as well as the color, text space, line spacing, and some other adjustments too. You can also use these preset text styles to further customize your text by double clicking on these previews on the left. Another useful tip is to select the background of the title. So in this case it would be this hexagonal shape right here. And you can slightly adjust the color of the title by simply going into the color tab, opening the white balance window and adjusting the temperature as well as the tint to get some different combinations. This gives you just a little bit more flexibility to be creative with your titles. Once you're happy with your title, you can add some elements to further enhance your videos. So let's head over to the Elements tab. Adding the elements is the same as adding the titles. You simply click and drag the elements onto the timeline and use the size to adjust the length of the element. However, the elements have a preset video length, so you won't be able to make them any longer than they come by default. To layer the elements and the titles, you just simply have to swap them around on the timeline so that the piece that you want at the bottom is on the lowest track, just above your video. To adjust the position of the element, you have to double click on it in the timeline and go into the video tab, where you can go into transform panel and you can use it to scale it up or scale it down, as well as change the position right here. You can also do this by dragging the element around on the window itself. And same as with the titles, you can also adjust the color of the element by going into the white balance section in the color tab. Let's drag the other element in as well. I'm going to double click on it and use the preview to scale it down and to position it in the frame. You can also use this dot at the top here to rotate the element on the preview. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful and I gave you some ideas on how to use the Cyber Monday sales pack in your own videos. If you are interested in the pack, there will be links to it in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Filmstock channel so that you never miss any of the future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!